So hello and welcome to everyone. So today we will learn some important vocabularies related power sharing and difficult words. So let's get started. Intelligent, having good understanding. Legislature means a law making body. Executive branch that implements laws. Judiciary means system of courts and judges. Ethnic means related to social cultural group, right? Descent means family origin, right? Composition means the way something is made up. Complex Complex means not simple. Resented, felt anger about something unfair. Tensions, feeling or conflict or strain. Acute, very serious or intense. Diverse means showing variety. Forefathers means ancestors. Concentrated means gathered mainly in one place. Majoritarianism. Majoritarianism means belief that majority may be rule ignoring minorities. Dominance means power or control over others. Supremacy means state or being above others in power. Disregarding means ignoring or not considering. Pref- Preferential, shall, giving special advantage. Stipulated, specified or laid down as a condition. Foster means encourage or promote. Alienation, feeling or being isolated or executed. Discriminated, treated unfairly. Autonomy, freedom to govern oneself. Strained, under pressure. Widespread, existing over a large area. Livelihoods, means of earning or living. Setback, problem that delays progress. Mutually means in a way shared by two or more sides. Innovative means introducing a new ideas or methods. Unilaterally means done by one side alone. Subordinate, lower in a rank or authority. Representation, acting, speaking on behalf of others. Civic, related to citizens or public. Stripe means serious conflict. Prudential means based on careful calculation. Oppressive, unjustly, harsh or controlling. Adversely, in a harmful way. Legitimate, lawful or accepted as a valid. Participation, taking part in something. Cohesion means alliance of groups or parties. Divergent, moving or developing in a different direction. Cosmopolitan, including people from one many cultures. Intermingled, mixed together. Blood seed, killing and violence. Dilemma, difficult choice between the alternatives. Dispersed, spread over the wide area. Arbitrariness, lack of reason of fairness. Contenders, people or groups competing. Ideologies, system or political social ideas. Contemporary, belonging to the present time. Diversity, state of having variety.